Are you struggling to move your Excel data into your database? Do you have thousands of rows of data that you want to move into your database from your Excel? You are in the right place to learn the 3 steps to import Excel data into database. Okay, so now I will be using the Excel sheet on my system. So I have it on my system here already. It contains the hospitals that we have in Nigeria as a whole. As you can see, we have the state, the location, the hospital name, and the hospital address. Okay, so I have the data, and the data is as much as close to 500 data. So, and I want to insert all this data into a table in my database. So how do I do this without using the insert statement in SQL? So the simple way of doing this is to use the import. The import process in Microsoft SQL Server. So the 3 steps. The first step is to convert your Excel spreadsheet to CSV file. So the first step is to convert our Excel spreadsheet to CSV file. CSV file means comma separated value. Okay, to do this, go to the file menu at the top left corner, click on save as, then browse the folder that you want to save it. I want to save it to my desktop. Let's say I want to save it to my desktop. Then you go to save as type. Click on the arrow here. Then you are going to click on the CSV, that is comma delimited. And CSV is the comma separated value. So you click on this, then click on save. Okay, so you can say yes. Okay, so now that's the first step of doing this. Now the second step, so let's check that our file maybe it's available. Okay, this is our file here, it's available. Okay, so now you don't need to open that now, but where we are going, you don't need to open it, right? So now the second step is to import the CSV file into your database. So how do you import the CSV file into your database? Now go to your SQL server or any server that you are using. Okay, so right click on your database, go to tags, then you click on import flat file. If you click on this, click on next. You can see this will help you to import the content of a file into a new table in your database. So now click on next. You select the file that you want to import. That's the CSV file we created. Now this is it here. You can see the CSV file. Then you click on open. Now the new table name. Okay, let me remove this one. So the DBO, the DBO is the table schema. Click on next. Okay, I think it is open already, so it asks me to close the file for me to be able to work on it. Okay, so let me close the file so that I'll be able to work on it. Okay, good. So this is a preview of what we are going to have in our database. So click on next. So this way, now we are going to the third step. This third step is to modify the column to match the Excel data. Now, if you want to match the Excel data, you can see the state is a end variable character, which contains 50 characters, and also the location, the code. You are going to check this out. Also, then you can also make all of them to allow nulls. Depends on your character in your database. Okay, now you click on the next. And click on finish. Now you're done. Insert data success. Now if you want to check this, you can go to your SQL database, right click. If you check this, you won't see the table name, so you can right click and then refresh. Then if you refresh, click on tables, then we have next list, SOL hospital list. Okay, so we have a table here. Now you can select from the table. select all data from the new table you created. Okay, so you can see it now. You have your details, the tables available on your SQL database. You can perform SQL query on it as you like. Okay, so from good. Can you see now we have our database available, so you can do anything on it. You can do anything on it. So, thanks for watching. That's the 3 steps you need. Thank you.